it's worth 2 bites, man. My sister, I've already broken her GPU chip like 5 minutes ago. Finally got a whooping for it, so come on. Stupid mosquito. Okay, guys. Well, of course, she plugged in her music box thingamajig crap stuff. It's literally like at the very maximum it would be 32 bytes. So she loves the alarm IC that I used to use in my old toys that were like electronic, so I could hook it up and then play annoying songs. It used to annoy her, but now she's actually kind of liking it because she knows that I'm trying to annoy her, but it actually annoys me, and she's actually starting to get used to the sounds. And now for some reason, somehow, guys, she actually installed something on here, so this is what you get. Don't ask me why. I've already broken this open. Kind of anxious to see what's inside of this thing. There you go. And audio's capacitor. There's a capacitor in here. So hit the back. What's wrong with you? Freaking done with her. She's annoying. She's absolutely terrible. Where did that alarm go? Oh, guys, great news. I actually broke it in half the CPU chip. Woo! You guys don't even know how happy I am right now. Even though I don't show it, even though I'm just breaking capacitors. There you go. Let's go put this on here. Guys, have a nice day, guys. And peace out, just like how I pieced out my broken, well, actually my sister's broken alarm IC. She actually claimed it for herself, and my mother said, okay, well, you can keep it. Walks over to me. Connor, you're grounded. I'm giving your sister this. So it's basically mine, except my mother took it from me and told my sister she could have it. She claimed that I was grounded for getting bad grades, yet I got an A++ in one of my classes. And I've never gotten that before. And she should have been proud of me at the time, but now, bye-bye, circuit board. It was a bad time with this. So guys, to be honest, I'm not sad at all. I'm pretty glad that I finally got to get revenge on her. Oh. Okay, she's right over here. Just a moment, guys. Guys, great news, and I have bad news. I told my sister that she was grounded now, and she said, no, it's your fault. So now I'm basically just waiting for Mrs. Michelle to answer her ring, and she also likes playing with my old remote control for my drone. Well, guess what? Wait a minute. I think I might honestly... Oh, no I don't. 3, 2, 1. Take that, sister. She used to say that she liked playing with the thing. Now, it's broken. Oh, how sad. Guys, I keep hearing knocking, guys, in the distance, like literally. Comment down below if you guys could hear it. I keep hearing knocking. It's actually because I've installed secretly a second door that's glued onto my mother's door, which will stop knocks from being heard inside. Broke it. Well, that is what she deserved. Just a moment. I keep hearing her bang. Just 1 second, guys. We'll go and talk with her. And guess what she did? She got so angry that she actually went over to me and slapped me in the face. I said, "Oh, you have a crush on me now." Then she went in and literally slammed onto the door, took my hammer, and now, kind of wobbly, of course, because she threw the hammer at it. And guess what I say? She used to play with my electronics and actually got the light to start flashing. Oh, Connor wouldn't let me start flashing it. There you go. You're welcome, sister. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Done with you. You're always so rude, trying to call me that. I'm not even going to start with singing now. Guys, Jesus Christ. Keep singing. Sorry, sister. Just has to do it. And she actually stole something off somebody's porch, so let's just go and boo! She shouldn't have to be doing this because she isn't going to have to do this. I don't even know what I'm saying now. Okay, guys, my finger is sore, so adios. I'm actually going to go and swing at this. Come on. Do not ask me how this happened so quick, but I tore out the screen. What in the hell is wrong with this Chromebook? Oh, there was something on the screen. I'm so sorry, guys. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, and just gonna go not stop until it's broken. Here you go. See you guys later. Gotta go. Right. Sister wrestling. Gotta go.